Every morning at 8 a.m., my phone buzzes. It's not an alarm. It's my AI team sending me business briefings on WhatsApp. Revenue up 8%, 23 new customers, 2 scripts ready for approval. I type approve scripts and my AI publishes them. I type check revenue and it pulls live data from Stripe. I type research top competitors in AI coaching and 10 minutes later, a full report lands in my inbox. This isn't a chatbot. This is an AI agent team that runs my business, and I control it from the same app I use to text my mom. Here's the exact setup. 3 pieces, all open source, under $50 a month to run. Quick context on why WhatsApp and not some custom dashboard. Our audience, founders, consultants, professionals running a side business, they're not sitting at a desk all day. You're in meetings, you're commuting, you're picking up kids. WhatsApp is already on your phone. You already check it 50 times a day. So instead of building another app that you will forget to open, we'll put that AI where you already are. No new apps, no login, no dashboard, just text your agent team like you would text an employee. Here's how the whole thing works. 3 pieces. Piece 1, WhatsApp on your phone. That's your interface. You send messages, you get responses. Piece 2, an open source WhatsApp bridge. It's called Go WhatsApp Web Multi-Device. Mouthful, I know. What it does is simple. It turns WhatsApp into an API. Messages in, messages out, all over HTTP. Piece 3, OpenClaw. That's the agent orchestrator. It receives your message from the bridge, figures out which agent should handle it, and gets the answer, sends it back through the bridge to your WhatsApp. WhatsApp to bridge to orchestrator to agents, and back to you. That's it. Let's build it. Here's what you need to follow along. A WhatsApp account. You probably have one. I would recommend a separate number for this. A WhatsApp business account is free. Docker installed on your machine or a cloud server. If you don't have Docker, docker.com, download, install. An OpenClaw instance on any agent orchestrator that supports webhooks. And a cloud server. If you want this running 24/7, DigitalOcean, AWS, whatever you prefer. $5 to $20 a month. Let's start with the bridge. Demo 1. Step 1, we deploy the WhatsApp bridge. 1 Docker command, and that's the whole install. Let me break this down. We are running a container that exposes port 3000. The webhook flag tells it where to send the incoming messages. That's going to point at our OpenClaw instance, and that's where we are listening for messages events. Hit enter, container starts. Step 2, open your browser. Go to localhost 3000 and you will see GOWA dashboard. Clean UI, nothing complicated. Step 3, click link device. A QR code appears. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to linked devices and scan the code. Connected. Your WhatsApp is now an API. Step 4, let's test it. I'm going to send a message through the API. Watch my phone. There it is. Message received, sent from the API, delivered to WhatsApp. The bridge is live. Now let's connect the brain. The bridge sends messages, but right now nobody's listening. We need to wire it into our agent orchestrator. Step 1, configure the webhook. When someone sends a message to our WhatsApp number, the bridge fires an HTTP post to our OpenClaw endpoint. OpenClaw receives the message, parses who sent it, and what they said. Step 2, set up command routing. This is where it gets powerful. OpenClaw looks at the incoming message and decides which agent handles it. Here's the logic. Brief me. Routes to the research agent. Compiles a morning brief from your latest data. Check revenue. This one routes to analyst agent. It pulls metrics from connected tools. Approve scripts. Routes to the operations agent. Moves queued content to published. Research a given topic. Routes to the research agent. Runs a deep dive and reports back. Anything else? Routes to the chief of staff agent, which figures out intent and delegates. Step 3. Each agent has a system prompt that tells it you're responding via WhatsApp. Keep it concise, use clear formatting, no walls of text. That's the wiring. Bridge handles transport, OpenClaw handles intelligence. Let me show you how this looks in practice. Alright, so everything's connected. I'm going to run 4 real scenarios from my phone. Watch the desktop on the left. That's OpenClaw processing. Watch my phone on the right. That's WhatsApp. Scenario 1, morning brief. brief me. That's what I type. OpenClaw receives it, routes it to the research agent, and the agent compiles today's data. And here's what comes up on my WhatsApp. Morning brief, February 16th. Revenue $12,450, up 8% week over week. 23 new leads. Top performing content, MCP registry tutorial at 4,200 views. 3 action items. 2 scripts need approval, ad spend is at 80% of daily budget, and 1 support ticket needs a response. That lands on my phone every morning before I had my coffee. I know exactly where my business is standing. Scenario 2, command routing. I type approve scripts. OpenClaw routes to the operations agent. It checks the content queue, finds 2 scripts ready to go. Response. 2 scripts queued for publishing, MCP registry tutorial at 10 a.m., GPT analysis piece at 2 p.m., both scheduled. I just published content from a WhatsApp message while standing in line for coffee. Scenario 3, quick question. I type, what's our best performing ad this week? Routes to the analyst agent, it pulls ad metrics across campaigns, and it responds with this message. Here's a top performing. The agent names the top ad, shows the spend, shows the metrics around click-through rates, returns on ad spend, and recommends scaling it up by 20%. That question used to mean logging into an ad dashboard, filtering the date range, sorting by performance, and running the numbers. Now it's one simple text message. Tasked delegation. I type, research top 5 competitors using AI agents for coaching business. This is a bigger task. OpenClaw routes to the research agent and it responds immediately. Research started. I'll have results in approximately 20 minutes. I'll message you when they're ready. The agent goes to work. I go back to my life. 10 minutes later, my phone buzzes. Full research report, 5 competitors, their positioning, pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities we can exploit. Clean formatting, ready to act on. I delegate a research task to my AI team the same way I would text an assistant. Except this assistant works 24/7, never forgets, and costs a fraction of salary. Now, you might be thinking, that's your setup with 12 agents. I don't need that. You're right, you don't. The architecture is the same whether you have 2 agents or 20. The WhatsApp bridge doesn't care. The orchestrator doesn't care. You start with what you need. A research agent that monitors your market, a pipeline agent that tracks your leads and follow-ups, an outreach agent that drafts messages to prospects. You add agents as your business grows. The point isn't the number of agents. The point is the interface. You open WhatsApp, you type what you need, and your AI team handles it. That's the system. Your expertise tells the agent what matters. The agents do the work. WhatsApp keeps you in control from anywhere. So let me recap everything you need. 1. A WhatsApp account, free. Use a WhatsApp business number if you want to keep it separate. 2. Go WhatsApp web multi-device, open source, 1 Docker command to deploy. Turns WhatsApp into an API with webhooks. 3. An agent orchestrator. We use OpenClaw. You could use anything that accepts webhooks and coordinates agents. 4. A cloud server to keep it running 24/7, $5 to $20 a month on any provider. Total running costs around $50 a month plus your AI API usage for an agent team that never sleeps. We teach this whole approach, building agent systems that actually build your business. Not theory, but working deployments. If you want the full blueprint, link is in the description. If you haven't seen the MCP registry tutorial, watch that one next. It shows you how to connect your agents to Notion, Stripe, and document analysis. Same approach, same philosophy, connect your AI to real business tools. Subscribe and hit the bell. More agents builds coming next week. I'll see you in the next one.